If you're a Walsall tenant looking for a one-bedroom flat, we've got a beautiful property. We're at the Saddlery again. I'm going to take you around to a one-bedroom flat, a single person or a couple. This would suit you ideally. Follow me. Now, we've been to the Saddlery before. We've got a few properties in here. The outside, we've got plenty of videos for the outside. So we're going to put some links into the description for the outside. You'll see all of that. This is the first floor. All the corridors are kind of like this. If you just come along over here, and then you can see you get 5 flats on each floor. There's 3 floors in the main building, and there's 2 parts to this building. And today we are going to go into flat number 3. Okay, so follow me. Okay, if we go straight into the lounge first, directly into the lounge. The property has been refurbished. You've got laminate flooring. You've got it's part grey goods. I mean, we call them white goods, but you know they're coloured grey. So we've got your oven hob, electric oven and hob, washing machine, and then you've got the fridge freezer. These are all brand new, part of the refurb. We've had a long-term tenant in here, just moved out after I think about 3 years or so. So the landlord just come in and just refurbed everything to get the next person in. A really good spacious space. You've got lots of kind of electric points. You can see double sockets. On that side is probably where your TV would go. That's your TV point over here. And then outside to the frontage, both bedroom and the lounge is facing to the front. Pubs have opened up today. Today is Saturday the 4th of July. So obviously the people are about. The town hall is straight in front of you as well. And yeah, so good space. Sofa. If you have the TV over there, probably put the sofa over here. Dining set maybe in the corner or even over here. Yeah, your choice how you want to kind of configure this room. This room houses the hot water tank, and we'll go into the bedroom next. Front facing the promenade, this double bedroom. You've got socket points on 3 different walls, double sockets on 3 different walls. Yep. So again, a really good size double bedroom would suit that single or couple right down to the T. Okay, and we've got out here, it's secure intercom system, it's a serviced apartment block, so that's where you would give the people entry. What I'll do, I'll step out, and if you have a look at the bathroom rather, not bedroom. It's got an electric shower, a full bath. I mean, some of these bathrooms are a bit small in these flats, so they've only got shower cubicles. So the plus point in this flat is that you've got a bath, which is, you know, quite a luxury to have in apartments. Yep. Okay, it's quite a good size bathroom. We've got other flats in this apartment block, and they're not as they don't have this much space like as you have in the bathroom. So that's it. Quite quickly, this 1-bedroom flat, and you've got the lounge. So we'll end the property video tour over here. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. If this interests you and you want to make an application, please give us a call. Links will be all in the descriptions. Further property pictures will be on the actual website, where you'll have maps and all kinds of stuff. All our property video tours are being done on our YouTube channel. So if you subscribe and press the bell icon, then you'll be notified before any properties go to market. So do please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.